Hey folks, so doing this quick video here. This is a pollinator we're putting in for the endangered El Segundo blue butterfly. And how it all starts out is we get this Atlantic Water Gardens fountain basin. What I love about these is they've thought of everything. You even put an automatic water fill. They've got a little, this right here for the plug, so the plug doesn't ever get tweaked. Anyway, we're gonna put this, sink it down. It's getting the hole dug, and then we're gonna put the basin in, put this on top, connect the pump to it, and then hide it with this rock. So we'll do another video once it's all done. So just wanted to show you what it looks like. We're actually doing this project. This is a native butterfly garden. Okay, so we are we're running pipe. We'll do another video on this. Thanks.